Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I promised a greater Lagos rising, and I know and I believe that the 10th Assembly shared in our vision. We are promised an agenda of a Teams Plus, and I know and I believe that the 10th Assembly will share in our vision. It's therefore my honor and a rare privilege that I formally proclaim the 10th Assembly of the Lagos State House of Assembly. God bless you. God bless the 10th Assembly. God bless Lagos State and Nigeria Profession. Thank you very much.
Hiya, ya, 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 hey, na, ya, we dey go. Lagos State